Primetime news this evening. Clarendon lockdown.
The security forces, of course, seek to track down these murderous characters wherever they are.
4-day curfew imposed as security forces seek to end bloodletting. Warring gangsters create unease in St. Anne. And 2 dead in Montego Bay crash.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. Do you believe the appointment of the Chief Justice and President of Court of Appeal should go through an application process to an independent body?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.